They'd give this name to the strongest, sturdiest and best heroes of Belarusian history. It's no mere chance that we chose this name for our vehicles. It reflects the gist of these cars that have no obstacles in their path. These are heroes who are able to move tons of cargo either in the quicksand of African deserts or on bad Amazon rainforest roads. Volat is not just a high-sounding title. Every vehicle contains millions of laborious task hours of talented engineers and constructors and thousands of experimental projects. We have the advantage of many years' experience, progressive ideas of young specialists and the biggest technical facilities in the CIS. There are more than 200,000 square meters and each one is used to create unique cars. Within our specialization, there's developmental work and production of multi-axle motor chassis. We created the platform for the first in the country TEMP-C operational tactical guided missile system, chassis for C-300 air defense system, SMERGE multiple rocket launchers and a dozen of other projects. Due to our cooperation with such well-known companies as Daimler, Chrysler, Dodge, Renault, Detroit Diesel, Zahnradfabrik, iTag and many others, it makes it possible to compete with the leading foreign manufacturers, not only in the CIS, but also beyond its borders. Our peculiar features are discrete parts manufacturing and short series manufacturing. Every project is based on the characteristics defined by the customer. Every client is number one for us. We take into account all the preferences, from the carrying capacity to cab's color. For years, there has been a clear scheme of an order fulfillment at the plant. Any project is started in the design department from scratch. A month is enough for our specialists to develop a ready solid model. In a couple of days, in the project shop, it turns from a graphic project into a real machinery prototype. Minsk wheel tractor plant has a high engineering and technical potential and modern manufacturing capabilities. Every third worker of our plant has technical education. Every know-how goes through a test right within Minsk wheel tire tractor plant. The test center of the plant has all the necessary equipment to carry out all laboratory and bench tests of the developed and manufactured vehicles. The project shop has been replenished with Italian equipment. 5-axis machine makes it possible to make end-to-end designs and 3-dimensional models, which covers the requirements of the plant in foundry and pattern equipment. Minsk wheel tractor plant has been into a serious modernization. Today, all the shops are furnished with state-of-the-art equipment, including modern machines with digital program control. Every production section is automatized as much as possible. Man's hand is needed only to start the equipment. As a result of technical extension, working efficiency has significantly increased. There's a modern frame rail production technique at the plant. Production of chassis bearing structure starts with short blasting when metal plate surface gets prepared for laser cutting. There's a great store of modern drilling and milling machines and multi-purpose turning and boring machines. What can facilitate and speed up works is a tandem of sheet bending presses that can operate in the asynchronous mode and bend parts up to 13 meters. The sheet bending press is high-performance equipment with easy form measuring system that can provide real-time angle measurement and compensate the bending without radius changes, which provides necessary angle at the first push. Availability of programmable props has reduced the time of press setting while producing wide component spectrum. Besides, there has been a blank section modernization in the press shop using high precision and high performance equipment. A robotized welding system plays an important part in producing motor carriages. In the result of using new techniques, the parts manufacturing time has reduced 7 times greater. In the end of the 20th century, Minsk wheel tractor plant received correspondence certificates from international certification bodies. They confirm that our management system of performance quality, production, realization and after-sales service of general and special-purpose vehicles and trailers meet EN ISO 2001 and Certificate of Technical Safety ISO 9001 requirements. Volat road vehicles have been certified in Russia. From 2000 to 2010, Minsk wheel-tire tractor plant successfully passed a few re-certification audits, including tests by German TÜV CRT Thüringen EV Certification Center. Our plant confirmed that the management system of performance quality meets the requirements of DIN EN ISO 9001-2000. The results of our workers' solidary work, rational investments and stated quality control system have repeatedly gained high-level acceptance, adding dozens of international-level awards to the Hall of Fame of Minsk wheel-tire tractor plant.